Hey, Nicole from Tax Wars. I just wanted to come to you today and go over something that you may or may not heard about. This is definitely going to affect anyone if you have any clients or if you're working in Georgia. So basically, Georgia has decided to allow a deduction for any unborn babies that are still in the mother's womb. So they are offering some guidance related to that on their website. We will include the link below. So this is going to be on the Georgia Department of Revenue website as well. But basically they are listing here the guidance related to House Bill 481, Living Infants and Fairness Equality Act. So that's the LIFE Act, which is the acronym, the Living Infants and Fairness Equality. Georgia Department of Revenue provided guidance related to Georgia House Bill 481. This is just reflecting the recent rulings by the U.S. Supreme Court on June 24th, 2022, and the 11th Circular Court of Appeals on July 20th, 2022. So in light of those rulings, U.S. Supreme Court ruled in Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organization, and then also in Sistersong versus Kemp, the department will recognize any unborn child with a detectable human heartbeat as defined in O.C.G.A. Section 1-2-1 as eligible for the Georgia Individual Income Tax Dependent Exemption. The 11th Circuit's ruling made HB 481's amendment to O.C.G.A. Section 48-7-26A, adding an unborn child with a detectable heartbeat to the definition of the dependent, effective as of the date of the court's ruling, which was July 20th, 2022. So as such, on an individual income tax return filed for the year of 2022, where at any time on or after July 20th, 2022 and through December 31st, 2022, a taxpayer has an unborn child or children with detectable human heartbeats, which may occur as early as 6 weeks gestation, the taxpayer may claim a dependent personal exemption as provided for under the O.C.G.A. Section 48-7-26A and B3 in the amount of $3,000 for each unborn child. For tax year 2022, the deduction for dependent unborn children will be a subtraction on line 12, other adjustments of Form 500, Schedule 1. So anybody who's in Georgia, if you're working in Georgia, you have clients in Georgia, you should be very familiar with this form. That's just the regular personal income tax form that's filed, the Form 500. So if you're going to be filing for any clients who are pregnant or were pregnant anytime from July to the end of this year, then you would just include that deduction on line 12, other adjustments of the Form 500, Schedule 1. Similar to any other tax deduction claimed on an income tax return, relevant medical records or other supporting documentation shall be provided to support the dependent deduction claimed if requested by the department. So basically you'll just want to keep on file any records that you have, that you went to the doctor, any proof that you have showing that you were pregnant when you got pregnant. Obviously the doctors always are able to provide that to you. So that will just be part of your income tax documents that you hold on to in case you get audited. Additional information, including return instructions to claim the personal exemption for an unborn child with a detectable heartbeat, will be issued later this year, along with other tax changes impacting tax year 2022 Georgia individual income tax returns. So that's just a big update there. Once again, right now it's only affecting people who are in the state of Georgia. So if your clients live in Georgia, if you operate out of Georgia, then this is definitely something that will affect you. And we'll see if other states begin to follow suit and allow that deduction as well. Just don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any comments, if you have any questions, please add them below. We will be more than happy to get back to you on those. And once again, we will have the link for this article in the comment section below. All right.